Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent de Tachtigjarige Oorlog, the 80 Years' War. This is how we say de Tachtigjarige Oorlog. De Tachtigjarige Oorlog. There isn't really an emphasis on any of these words, just de Tachtigjarige Oorlog. Tachtigjarige Oorlog. Tachtigjarige Oorlog. The Tachtigjarige Oorlog in the 16th and 17th centuries led to the formation of the Dutch Republic and is considered our Independence Day. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!